goes. You'll need a partner here and some kind of a belt, or just hold on to the back of the pants. Fall forward with good posture. Keep your head up. Pause for a couple of seconds, then drop them and let them go into an explosive sprint. Gravity helps to pull them forward for explosive acceleration. Use good run technique. Knee up in front of the body, heel up under the hamstring, toes pulled up toward the shins. Cock and load that foot so you step down to the ground with greater force. These are great reactive, explosive sprints. Our distance is 10 yards. We want to go down and back as 1 repetition. Do 3 sets of 3 repetitions. Softball's a game of pure acceleration. You never hit top speed. Force greater acceleration by stepping down to the ground and driving the body forward. Now let's do our let goes with a little bit of resistance. Fall the athlete forward so we get the same starting position as last time. Then explode into a full sprint. After 3 to 4 steps, let them go. This is like pulling back on a slingshot and firing them out. We want to get a little extra muscle recruitment, followed by an explosive release of that muscle energy. Be aggressive. Good technique, explosive acceleration. Be aggressive. Step down to the ground. Drive those elbows back. Down and back is 1 repetition. Do 3 sets of 5 repetitions.